In this video, we're going to be making this eggless white chocolate mud cake. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. First, you're going to grease and line a 6-inch round pan and set that aside. Then in a vessel, you're going to add in your butter. Keep it on low flame and keep stirring so that it does not burn. And once it has melted, you can add in your white chocolate. And stir it in and let it melt. Then you're going to add in your milk and mix it in. And finally, add in the powdered sugar and mix that in. Then turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Meanwhile, you're going to add in the baking soda and baking powder to your flour and mix it in. After your chocolate mixture has cooled, you're going to add in your curd and mix it in using a whisk. And then mix in your vanilla extract. Now you can add in your dry ingredients and mix those in. Do not overmix, just mix till they have incorporated in the batter. And then you can pour this in your prepared pan. Then bake it in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 50 to 55 minutes. A toothpick inserted in the center should come out without any wet batter, though it might have some crumbs on it. And you will also see that the cake has released from the sides. Let the cake cool completely on a wire rack. Once the cake has cooled, you can run a knife at the sides of the cake and then flip it out onto a plate. And then you can slice it and dig in. This cake would also go really good with some vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream if you're in the mood for it. You can see it's nice and fudgy in the center. It is definitely a decadent treat and it feels like you're eating a fudgy blondie. If you love white chocolate, definitely give this cake a try. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for new recipes and I'll see you soon. Bye!